Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about filing a petition for dissolution of marriage. A petition for dissolution of marriage is the document that initiates a divorce proceeding in court. And in a divorce, you're going to cover a couple issues. Those include custody of minor children, division of property, child support, division of debts, and maintenance. And what the petition for dissolution of marriage does is it asks for a court to decide these issues. So there's some information that needs to be included. One is that you have to show that you're in the proper venue. The venue is the court that the petition is filed in. So every county has its own different courthouse, and you need to be in the right state and the right county. You're in the right county typically if one of the spouses resides in that county and they've been domiciled in that county for 90 days. Domicile means that that's their residence. They also lay out some background in the petition. You need the age, address, occupation of each spouse, the duration of the marriage. It's kind of like a get-to-know-you document for the judge. People ask, why do they have to put all this information into the petition? But the judge is going to be making some really fact-based decisions about these issues we discussed, child custody, division of property, etc. And in order to make those decisions, he's got to weigh a lot of factors, and he needs to really know the background of the parties and the background of the marriage. And the other thing we need to list is information about the children, at least their ages, and whether the wife is pregnant at the time, because that's going to be relevant in determining, whether maintenance is going to be paid, child support is going to be paid, and how the property is going to be divided. The other thing that you need to list is the grounds for the dissolution of the marriage. There's 11 grounds in Illinois to dissolve a marriage, and I'm going to rattle them off for you. One is impotence, beginning at the outset of the marriage and continuing until the time the petition is filed. Bigamy, adultery, desertion willfully by one spouse of the other for at least a year, habitual drunkenness for at least 2 years, habits formed from addictive drugs, so they've got to be bad habits that are formed from addictive drugs that continue for 2 years or more, threatening life or other ways of showing malice. The statute actually talks about threatening life by poison. Extreme and repeated physical and mental cruelty, that's an obvious one. Conviction of a felony, infecting your spouse with a venereal disease or STD, and the blanket catch-all is irreconcilable differences. So it's important, if you don't want your petition to get thrown out of court for not following the proper formalities, to have an attorney work you through this and really get the background information on yourself, your spouse, and your marriage in order to file this proper petition to make your divorce go smoothly and as painlessly as possible. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation, you can call my office at 630-324-6666. And this video and audio clip and also an article on the subject can be found at learnaboutlaw.com, where we've got video, audio, and articles on all sorts of different legal subjects. Thanks for your time.